So challenge number 9 is to create an opportunity record when an account is created, and then create a contract role related to the opportunity when an opportunity is created. So this is the opportunity, and we can see the contract role here. So we're going to create a record under the contract role. The first part, to create an opportunity whenever an account is created, that has been covered in the challenge 5. So now let's check before the flow. What's the current scenario here? Let's create a new account. So let's put the account name as test20. Let's choose the contact here as Andrew Young. So this is the lookup field that I have created on the account object. We click save. So let's go to the related tab and check the opportunity. And you can see our opportunity is created with the same account name and the stage as qualification. We don't have any contact role. So that states that our challenge number 5 flow is working correctly. So now let's create the flow to populate the contact role whenever an opportunity record is created. So let's create the new flow. Let's create the auto launch flow. So what we want here is we want to create the contact role record. The object is contact role, opportunity contact role. And we are going to populate here the opportunity ID. So let's create a variable. And the data type, let's take it as text, available for input. Now let's create the contact, choose the contact ID, and let's create a variable. Data type, text, available for input. Let's choose the role as business user. Done. Now let's start with the create records. Let's save the flow. And activate it. Now let's create the process builder. So in the process builder, we are going to pass the values to the variables that we have created for the contact ID and for the opportunity ID. When a record changes, for opportunity, so we're going to add the object here as opportunity, because we want the record to be created when the opportunity is created. Save. Let's add the criteria. So there's just no criteria here. Under the opportunity, we have specified when opportunity is created, then it should be built. The criteria name, no criteria. Let's add the action. So let's choose flows here, and action name, we populate IDs. Flow is create contact role. And now let's assign the values to the variables, field reference, and let's take the account ID because we cannot directly go to the contact, as you can see. So let's go to the account ID with the caret symbol, and now let's add the contact. Let's go to the contact, and now let's add the contact ID. Here it is. For the opportunity, let's take opportunity ID. So it should be under the opportunity. And now let's save it and activate a process builder. Now let's check whether our flow and process builder is working correctly. So under the accounts, I'm going to create an account. So this time it should create an opportunity record as well as the contact role under the opportunity. So now let's create an account. Let's maybe put it as just 30. Let's choose the contact here as Andy Yank, and let's save. So just 30 count is created. So let's check the details. Yeah, they're there. Let's go to the related tab, and an opportunity is created for us. Let's click on the opportunity to see. So an opportunity is created with the stage qualification uh, and today's date that was there in the challenge 5 flow. And here we can see a contact role is created. We have a contact Andy Young that we passed while creating the account object, and the role is business user. So this is what we have kept as default. It's showing there as Nina because the contact on the Andy Young is Nina. We're going to change that. We're going to link it to our account of interest, and it will be populated there accordingly. So the contact name is Andy Yang and role is business user that we kept as default.